have a quarter tank and a quarter battery. What do you say, we race them?
I almost got her.
Hang on. The word no can be a source of frustration or the source of fuel and the very beginning of your greatest achievements in life. And that's exactly how I try and view it. I create one step at a time, always trying to level up that next build and push the boundaries of what is possible. Sometimes you just gotta do something different. For me, hearing no makes me want to chase that yes even more, just like my guys at Rich Rebuilds. This is Between Two Rides.
What's up, Colette?
Bet you weren't expecting that.
Ready to party?
Let's do it. This is Ice-T, the iconic V8 powered Tesla. And no, batteries are not included.
My name is Rich Benoit. I build really cool cars, and I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. Wait, are there questions for this interview? I wasn't prepped. Oh no, off the cuff, I hate it.
Scene 107, take one.
I think people on the internet know me as the Tesla guy, and that mostly comes from the fact that I went online, I found one that was underwater in a flood, and I was like, I could probably fix this, right? And slowly over time, I ended up swapping all the parts over. And then you have a great looking car with performance that's unlimited. Life was interesting when I was growing up. I was a latchkey kid and started taking apart the things like in my own home to play with them. My first word was actually car. And that was prompted by my mom, who was super into cars, and I think that's why I'm into cars today.
That was amazing.
Not bad,
if I
right?
close my eyes, I can almost feel like I'm in my C6 Corvette.
Not bad, right?
Almost.
Not bad at all.
Naturally, this is Between Two Rides, so we are between two rides. And this is Steven, the other half of Rich Rebuilds. We gotta know, how did you turn this into this V8 monster that I just experienced?
Let me show you.
The world's first ever
First one.
V8 swap Tesla.
Behold, the world's first V8 swap Tesla.
So we found this car online. It was actually flooded up to the doors. And we said to ourselves, you know what? We could either bring it back to life as a regular Tesla, we could just strip it and sell the parts on eBay, or do something crazy. So we chose crazy.
Well, let's start with the name, Ice-T. What is that about?
We like acronyms. It's internal combustion engine Tesla.
What was the most challenging aspect of this build?
I think it was the fabrication aspect. So pretty much the car had to get cut in half to form the transmission tunnel.
We had to remove the battery pack, and it's an aluminum body, so we're like, structural integrity is really important. We need to make sure that we strengthen that so that the car doesn't tweak under the raw torque.
But you actually made it look somewhat stock.
Most people just kind of casually walk past it because they think it's like a car that normally has a V8 engine in there. It's only when they stop and they see the Tesla logo that they're like, wait a minute, that shouldn't be. Tuning and working on cars means a lot to me because I'm so passionate about cars. It's almost like an extension of myself, and I want to personalize it and make it more of a part of me in a way.
So what was the first eBay Motors part that you threw on this build?
It was the most important part, which was the engine.
The heart and soul.
We kept going online. We were shopping through eBay Motors and being like, what parts do we need? Made our punch list, and we were able to build everything.
Everything, headers, alternator, intake, fuel rails.
Radiator.
Wiring harness, everything.
And it was the sustainable approach. We went on eBay Motors and we're like, we can get everything we need to make this car run again. And although it is not electric again, we made a fully functioning car. So I think that's a win.
Probably most people thought you were insane, except for your core group of people that were working on it and believed in the vision and pushed through. Was all those sleepless nights worth it?
I think it was worth it because in the beginning we were told no, that we couldn't have parts for it, and we did it. Tesla pretty much just said no for the selling of certain parts. I guess put it this way, if Tesla were to say yes here are the parts you need and we support your right to fix things, I wouldn't be here. I mean, I wouldn't be dead, but I'd be, you know, I wouldn't be doing what I do now. So I think the word no is what really inspired us to kind of push forward and just try something else.
Okay, so we have a quarter tank and a quarter battery. What do you say, we race them?
Seems fair to me.
All right, remember you said I'm driving this one, so you get behind the wheel of the stock one and I'm gonna drive this unicorn right here.
Can't do that.
Oh, yours doesn't do that.
Ram.
Oh. Just see if the entertainment works.
The heated seats work too.
On it too, come on!
Come on, man!
I expected him to have me on the start, but he's not at a full charge. So I think his car will start losing power dramatically.
Flat on it.
Oh, I'm feeling the no power steering right now.
I get it, almost got her.
Oh, he's trying to come in on the inside. And this is the last lap, you guys. Just gotta hold on. Oh, no power steering, guys.
She's like literally smiling.
Yeah, she's having a field day right now. Well, everybody smiles when they win.
Yay! LS power for the win. Oh, come on, you can't be that mad. If you're gonna get beat, at least it's in your own car. Come on.
I'm not gonna lie, you had us in the first half.
I got a little nervous, honestly, towards the end of the race.
Why?
You know why?
Why?
No power steering, my guy.
That'll do that, yes.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, that.
I shut it off on purpose,
Yeah.
and it still didn't help us.
And on the start, I thought you were gonna take me on the start.
Well,
I knew I had a chance with the battery getting lower and lower over time, though.
Yes, and you definitely did, because over time, the car actually got slower and slower, and it just cut most of the power to the car, so I was just kind of cruising behind you the whole time.
Well, thank you guys again, and thank you to all of our eBay Motors fans out there, and use the links in the description to store some parts for your own build. Let's ride. This is so not your average Mustang. Please tell me why?
How's bored?
But you're gonna go take us for a nice gentle ride here? Or what's going on?